Hello friends, today I am bringing you a new video for home decor, and this time our collection is about book art for decoring walls. This is something new and amazing where books papers are used in different styles, in frames, in collages, or in different patterns, and it has been used to make book art is just an amazing art to give a different look to your house. And you can use different books or old books from your library collection, and you can put them in different patterns on the walls to make wall art. And this is a completely different type of art than textile. You can use torn pieces of papers or the whole books to decor a wall of your home, and you can even draw some patterns on the pages of those books which you have placed on your wall. And book art is not an art only, it just shows your interest in books. They can be your red book, they can be some books with memories, and you can place them on the wall and you can make some patterns on them. And this will show uh, your taste about art, about reading, and about decorating your home. And you can also decorate your library or your reading tables with books, and you can adorn these books with branches of leaves and flowers. You can adorn them from with dry leaves or with fresh flowers or something. And if you're an art lover, then you can make some beautiful patterns on these books. And you can make any bouquet, any flower, any animal, any scenery. You can draw on it and you can paint them. And this will create an amazing effect of art in your living room, in your drawing room, or in your reading room. And you can also use some notice boards type material, and you can make the picture art on that, or you can make some frames, or you can make some loose books and paste them freely on the wall. And you can also make flowers or some patterns with the pages of the books, and you can paste those patterns on the wall. And we tried to brought a beautiful collection of book wall art. So if you like our collection, please subscribe our channel, and please give it a thumbs up so we can bring some new videos in the future. Thank you.